you're right. There's a clue, and it's on this, what is this? Is this green and purple?
No, black and white.
Oh yeah, what do you know? Black and white. Now we need our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. So, first I'll use my white crayon. So, we'll draw a curving shape for the color white. Then we can use our black crayon for the other shape. And there, black and white. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what animal Blue wants to learn about. Our first clue is black and white. So, what animal could Blue want to learn about with black and white? What do you think? Yeah, I think we have to find 2 more clues to figure this out.
We need your help.
Hey, that sounds like shovel and pail. Come on. Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
A clue.
Wait, a clue? Oh, you see a clue. Where? I was just hopping around. Ribbit. Huh. Like a frog. Where?
Right there.
Oh, right here. It's on this, what is this?
Ice.
Oh, ice. Very nice. We need our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. And my crayon too. Okay, so ice. Let's draw the outline of a block of ice and then some pointy lines inside it. And we have ice. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what animal Blue wants to learn about. What was our first clue? Right, black and white. And now we have ice. Ice. So what animal could Blue want to learn about with black and white and ice? What do you think? Possibly. Yeah, but I think we'll have to find our last clue to figure this out. The mail's here. Let's eat chickens. Okay. I'm a crab, Matthew, a crab.
A clue.
Wait, what? Oh, it is a clue. But what's it doing? Is it scuttling like me?
No.
No. Well, it's not hopping like a frog. But do you think it's kind of waddling? Like this?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's waddling. So, waddling is our third clue. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
Nope. Right. Okay. Waddling. We can draw little ovals for some footsteps like this. And then some lines for the motion. And we have it. A waddling motion. Our third clue, waddling. Hey, our final clue. We have all 3 clues. We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Let's go.